Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Hafiz Abolade, well known as Faramide son. If you are watching this program for the first time, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. Please subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Hafiz Abolade TV. Dr. Hafiz Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram, Dr. Hafiz Abolade. What I would like to share with you people today, how to treat someone that is hiccup. If you have someone around you that is hiccup, try these tips. It's small, but it's mighty. Please, if you are watching this program, don't forget to share it. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't ask for money. That is what I want. Help me share this program. Let this program go viral, please. Let this program go viral, please. Yoruba call one seed agbalumo. I will show you the agbalumo. Yoruba call it agbalumo. We call it agbalumo. We call it mambela. Go and look for that fruit. Dry seed inside that fruit. This is the seed. This is the agbalumo seed or pamela seed. Just use grinding stone to break this seed. There is one melon inside this seed. Just break it. Enough of this seed. Break it. Dry it. Dry it very well. After that, grind it. Let it turn to powder. Please, if you are watching this program for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Share this program. Drop your comments and like it. Let this program go viral. Please. That is what I want. Let's help ourselves. Let's help ourselves. If you have someone around you that is equal, just try these tips. Grind this melon, the melon that inside this seed, grind it very well. Look for original honey. This is the melon. This is the powder of this melon. Grind it very well. Pour this powder inside original honey. Inside original honey. This is original honey. If you want to buy it, I have original honey. I have original honey. 50 cl, 75 cl, 1 liter. Just call my number. It's 080 39 33 66 75 or 080 87 53 35 84. That is my number. If you need original honey, just call me. Wherever you are, you will receive your items. Grind it very well. Pour this powder inside the original honey. Turn it very well. You can use stick to turn it very well. Lick it anytime. Lick it anytime. Only this powder and original honey. Only this powder. The star seed powder. Yoruba call it agbalumo or mambela. Only this powder and original honey. If you have someone around you that is equal, just do it. It's small, but it's mighty. You don't need to call me. Do it without my knowledge. That is it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.